If Google and ChatGPT had a baby, it would probably look exactly like this new search engine. It's called as Perplexity AI, and it's already changing how people search online in 2026. Here's the wild part. It's already sending free high intent traffic to websites that know how to optimize for it, and almost nobody is doing at the moment. So in this video, I am breaking down what's happening inside AI powered search, how Perplexity is rewriting the rules of the new SEO game, and how you can rank inside AI answers before everyone else wakes up. Alright, so let's rewind a bit. A few years ago, search was simple. You typed something into Google and you got 10 blue links. That's the world SEO has lived for last 20 years. But 2024 changed everything. Now people don't just want information, they want clarity with confidence, and that too instantly. That's where AI search engines come in. Perplexity, ChatGPT Search, Microsoft Copilot, Google AI Overviews, Gemini, and so on. This isn't just an update, it's a shift in the human behavior. Search used to be about finding pages. Now it's about finding truth with the proof. Perplexity is equal to answer plus sources. And that brings us to the platform that nobody saw coming. Let's talk about Perplexity. Founded by Arvind Srinivas, backed by Jeff Bezos, funded by Nvidia, and valued at over $14 billion. Every tech giant is now copying it, be it Google, Microsoft, Meta, OpenAI. But why? Because Perplexity has cracked the code. It searches the internet in the real time, just like Google, but answers like a human expert. And that too with verified sources that you can check. Well, that's the game changer. No more mystery, no more guessing, and no more trust us and here's the link. Perplexity shows exactly where every claim came from. And that's creating a new ranking system, which we call it as AI citations. When your content becomes a reference material for AI answer, that's the new SEO. And here's why this matters right now. This isn't about one search engine. It's about the direction of the entire internet. Perplexity proved something big. See, people don't want 10 tabs open anymore. They want one answer that they can trust, and that too fast. And once you understand how to become that trusted source, you can apply the same strategy across all these platforms, which is Perplexity, ChatGPT Search, Google AI Overviews, Gemini, and others. See, you are not just ranking for one platform. You are future-proofing your marketing. And what about the audience? Are they using AI search? They are not casual browsers. Users on AI search engines are different. Let's say for Google, the average visit was under 2 minutes. But with Perplexity, average session is about 11 to 20 minutes. That means these aren't random visitors. These are researchers, buyers, decision makers. And AI search users ask basically best CRM for agencies scaling past over 1 million, which marketing attribution tool is easiest to implement right now. They in fact go with the queries like compare Shopify versus WooCommerce for the high ticket e-commerce. And if you paid attention, these are purchase intent questions. So don't write content for people who are curious anymore. Write for people who are ready to decide and buy. So how do you get your content cited by AI search engines? Here's my 5-step blueprint to get cited in AI search engines like Perplexity. Step 1, QAE format, which is question, answer, and evidence. See, every major section of your content should start with a real question, and then follow to that, give a direct answer of it. And after that, provide a proof or some numbers. See, AI loves this structure. And then comes the step number 2, make it scannable. Yes, so here you can use your heading tags, which is H2 and H3, use numbered lists, FAQ sections, short paragraphs, because AI models extract clean data from your website and the content. Then comes the step number 3, create original data. Well, this is your superpower, which is the surveys. And even you can add a lot of screenshots of your real users and their feedback. You can also include the mini experiments that you've been doing growing with your audience and from your product. Add observations. Why? Because AI prioritizes original facts over your old SEO style filler content. And then comes step number 4. Write conversationally, sound like a human, not a textbook. See, AI search prefers natural language over a robotic sound. Then comes the last but not least, step 5. Show up where real questions live, like comments and answers, which are published basically on the platforms like Reddit, Quora, LinkedIn, and even your industry forums. AI tracks these signals as an authority signals, and that's how small creators get cited more than those giant websites. But the real unlock is the intent. See, one of my clients had a page with 10,000 Google visits a month, barely any leads. Another client with the same page had 400 Perplexity plus a ChatGPT search visits, and that single page generated more revenue with the less traffic. Why? Because it had an high intent. Because AI search users aren't looking to just browse or some information, they are looking to decide. And when your page gets cited, you don't just reach buyers, you reach amplifiers like the journalists, analysts, newsletter writers, YouTubers, LinkedIn creators. And that's how the AI citation flywheel looks like. Cited, trusted, and then cited again. And right now, you have a window. Yes, we are early. Perplexity, ChatGPT Search, Gemini, they are all still evolving their ranking system. And this is your moment. Just like the YouTube SEO was in 2014, the blogs which were like 2008, Google SEO in 2005. The early movers are still dominating even today, and history is repeating itself. Except this time, it's happening inside the AI search. And if you start now, your content won't just rank. It will become the source of AI search engines that trust. And that's how you future-proof your business, your brand, and your marketing. Here's your next step. Take your top performing article, a blog, or a video and rebuild it using the QAE format, which is your question, answer, and evidence, and make it clear, data-backed with lot of conversational phrases. Because in this new world, you are not fighting for clicks anymore. You are actually fighting for to get those citations. Well, if this helped, share it with someone who are still playing the old SEO game. And this is Hiran Joshi, and I will see you in the next one.